each unit पढ़िला परे then we will discuss about the important questions. Then if you have any queries, then you can ask me. आमे अपन माने जानी थिबे जे जो यूनिट 29 जे जो पढ़िले रिगार्डिंग अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड एजुकेशन परे जेमति कि इन्फेंट तापर होची टॉडलर परे प्री स्कूल छुआ मानकर केमति हमें केयर नै परिबा तांकर कॉग्निटिव सोशल इमोशनल आउ लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट केमति भलो भाबरे हबो ताहा हमें पढ़िथिले आउ ए जो यूनिट 30 रे हमें पढ़िबा जदी हमें गोटे डे केयर सेंटर करिया को चाहूचे गोटे क्रैश की डे केयर सेंटर करिया को हमें चाहूचे ताहेले हमें किभଳି भाबे ताकू गोटे सेटअप करि परिबा. So गोटे सेटअप करिया को गले so we need some curriculum to be successful to include everything for early childhood education. हमर कोन दरकार गोटे छुआ को तार cognitive development हे परिवो language development हे परिवो emotional development हे परिवो और socialization करि परिवो सेही सब गुडा को केमिति भाबरे हे परिवो हम जदी करिकुलम हम जदी सेट न करबा ताहले सेटा सक्सेसफुल हबनी. So we will study today in unit 30. In unit 30, planning the curriculum. Now, long-term goal, we will discuss on long-term goal and short-term goal, how we can include everything, all the activities which include play, art education, outdoor activities, and indoor activities, some vigorous activities, some quiet activities, so that child's development can be holistic. जदि हम ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट गोटे पिलार न करि पारछे गोटे प्री स्कूल रे ताले हमें सेटा को किछि सक्सेसफुली करि परिबानी और चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सेटा ठीक है परिबानी. The necessity for planning the curriculum. Then long-term goals. In the long-term goals, have we included physical and motor goals, cognitive goals, language goals, and social goals, and emotional goals? हमारे long-term goals रे एवढा सब अच्छी की नहीं. Then short-term goals माने जो physical और motor development रो हमें कौन activities करी पारचे short-term courses short-term जो goals उड़ा का सेतरे include होची. Then selecting what are the play activities which is short-term and that can be into long-term. Say formulating daily schedules. Then schedules for preschoolers, half a day schedule or full day schedule. Then involving children in planning. Good afternoon, all of you again. Then schedule for older toddlers. What can be done for the toddlers. आमे एक बड़े भाबरे प्री स्कूल करि परिबा जो करिकुलम रे गोटे इन्फेंट रो केयर नै परिबा गोटे टॉडलर रो केयर नै परिबा गोटे प्री स्कूलर भी आमे तारो केयर नै परिबा सेया को आमे भाबी कि सेया को सेही दिगरे रखि कि हम मन रे हमर करिकुलम टा को डेवलप करा जिवो. Then comes your flexibility and structure in daily schedule. Managing a large group of children that we will study in unit 30. So आपण माने आगु पढी थिबे एठी जो लेखा हेची the purpose of describing physical, motor, cognitive, language, social and emotional development in all the previous chapters was to create awareness on what are the activities needed for early childhood education. से जोगुड़ा काम को नै कि हमरो करिकुलम टा को हमरो तयारी करिया को पड़िबो. So when you plan to set up a child care center, you will need to think about what you will do with the children as they come to you each day throughout the year. सेतरे short term भी हे परियो गोटे weekly हे परियो गोटे monthly पिला मन को भी छाड़ंदी गोटे yearly भी पिला मन को छाड़ंदी. These are all informal education. Not formal education, but informal education to prepare the child to go for formal education. The objective of this unit 30 is necessity for planning the curriculum. Then what are the skills, concepts and values that you want the children to learn? Then play activities. What are the play activities to acquire these skills like those cognitive, physical, emotional, then language skills. Then formulate a full day or half a day schedule for preschooler, toddler, and infant. So for each group, this will be different. Then how to manage a large group of preschool in the center. So the necessity for planning the curriculum, and why is it necessary to plan the activities you will organize from day one to the next to throughout the year. कौन प्लान करले जाइकी गोटे डे केयर सेंटर टा सक्सेसफुल हे परिबो फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ early childhood education. Then it will be help to clear as to what abilities and skills you are fostering in children. को आमे enhance करि परिबा छुआ मानकर को abilities गुडा को गोटे स्कूल जतल प्री स्कूल तयारी आमे करूचे इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन सेंटर टा करूचे हमर जो गोल टा अछि जे छुआटा केमती सिखि की जीव सिखि की गले सेना फॉर्मल एजुकेशन क्लास 1 रे पढि परिबो कि नर्सरी रे पढि परिबो किंतु जदि हमें ठीक इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन हबनी ताले तो से फॉर्मल एजुकेशन रे he or she cannot adjust. Then careful planning of the daily and weekly activities will also help you to know how the children have grown and what abilities they have acquired. So you will have to answer questions like, have the children gained social skill in this period of time? Has their understanding of different types of animals been furthered in this time? माने समाने ठीक नंबर ये करिया काउंट करिया सिखिले कि नहीं, अल्फाबेट सिखिले कि नहीं, एनिमल्स विषय समाने जानिले कि नहीं, गोटे गच्छ पत्र एगुडा सब केमते जानिले कि नहीं, कलर विषय समानकर धारणा अछि नहीं, शेप विषय समानकर धारणा अछि नहीं, साइज जोटा आ गोटे सेरिएशन शेयरिंग येटा सिखिबे, तापरे सिखिबे ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज द्वारा केमती इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स समानकर बढियो राइट फ्रॉम preschooler सेटा हमको देखिया के पड़िबो when you set up a daycare center. Then what is that you want children to learn and acquire during the period? This is unit 30. During the period they are with you, the children may be with you for a year or more. You must be clear as to how you want them to develop. In other words, you must state the long-term goals. Long-term goals and short-term goals. Long-term goal is for the whole year. What do you want a child to learn? Then in the short-term goal, suppose weekly or day-wise, week-wise or month-wise, what are the schedules you want to do to reach to the long-term goal? Then how will you know whether the short-term goal and long-term goals have been achieved? This involves evaluating children's progress and play activity. आमे केमती जानिबा जे तांकर समानकर ए कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट प्रॉपर्ली होछि कि नै और लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट प्रॉपर्ली होछि कि नै जदि आमे ताकू इवैल्यूएट करबा गोटे चाइल्ड रो प्रोग्रेस को. Then stating the long-term goals, breaking down each long-term goal into short-term goals, then identify the play activities related to short-term goals that we will study. Then formulating daily and weekly schedules. What are the long-term goals? They are broad and general statements about how you think you will guide child's development. आपण माने आगुरु सब गुडा को सिखिथिबे जे कोन कोन गोटे पिलार दरकार हुए तारो ए सब गुडा होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट पई को गुडा को दरकार हुए. Is the video not clear? I think it's clear. Then physical and motor goals. A program that fosters physical and motor development of infant should allow opportunity. Infant manako pai different, toddler manako pai different, then your preschool children manako pai different curriculum haba darkar. The first hochi physical and motor jo goals gote chuaro gote infant ro kon roiba darkar, kon parameters roiba darkar. Developing physical strength, developing fine senses, developing eye-hand coordination, developing muscular coordination, then practicing gross motor skills, I mean crawling, standing, walking, infant. Then practicing fine motor skills of reaching out and grasping. Seta hochi gote infant setiki skill raya dakar in this physical and motor skill. Then comes the toddlers. Toddlers man pe kon different haba darkar. Yes, physical strength acquire kariya darkar. Then eye hand coordination. So man ko eti refine haba darkar. Then using gross motor abilities of walking, running and jumping. Say that crawling, standing or walking thila infant ro, toddler ro hoji walking, running and jumping. Then practicing fine motor abilities of grasping and scribbling. Then developing body balance and coordination. Just walking, running, jumping kariwa, then body jo balance na rahile pilati padijo. So all these are in the toddler group. Then for the preschooler, what are the physical motor abilities are required? One is balance and coordination, physical growth and development, then gaining muscular control and developing fine and gross motor skills such as running, jumping, hopping, catching, throwing, then drawing, painting, scribbling and writing. Out to get finer, the toddler out to get fine motor skill develop haba darkar or muscular jo coordination control rahba darkar. Then awareness of the body and its relationship in space. Then establishing desirable feelings towards one's body and its function. Amar body ro hatta kon kare, eye akhi kon kare, pati kon kare. So all these things they will learn when the child is in preschool. Then cognitive goal kon rahega darkar tinita ka bhitar difference eti diya hechi gote infant kemti taro discrimination and generalization kariba, how to know the accent, a link between the accent and those of others. Then they can have the impact on things, opportunities for goal directed behavior. Then it is different in toddlers in this cognitive goals. What are the cognitive goals? Try out the experiment. Help them to know that varying their accent, they can have different effects on object. And so how do we different methods of solving problem. Then make believe play like doctor, then father, mother, like the make believe play also. That will help them to develop their creativity. Sorry. Then understand simple cause and effect relationship. Then for the preschooler, it is little refined, like positive attitude towards learning, then world around them, then sensory awareness, building up on their vision, hearing, touch, and all these things they should learn. So many, giving opportunity to use their mental abilities like matching, perceiving, grouping, then seriating, then altruism we have already studied. So these are required during preschooler. Then comes your opportunity to be creative, then attention span and memory, how they can develop their memory. Then comes your language goals, like infant, they should refer to the common objects, point at common objects or hearing levels that like bahut light haba, bahut sound haba. So they should react to those things. Then mother's voice, comprehend simple sentences like babbling, those things they will do. Cooing, babbling, say jogudaka darkar infant jo jetebale. Then toddler and preschoolers, opportunity for interaction with adults, peer group, help them to learn language skill. Then fostering pre-writing and pre-reading skill. Pre-writing mane A, B, C, M, D, halka informally they should learn these skills. Then conversational skill ta kemti bhalo hai paribo. The more they can talk to the caregiver or to the people around them, that they should learn. Then social goals bhi kemti develop hai paribo. Infant, toddler ra sabu gudako eti haba. Yes, at the end of these 4 units, I will tell you the important questions. So don't worry about that. So unit 30 to 33 we will study today. Then thereafter, I'll give you some important questions right from unit 1 to unit 33. Then comes your emotional goals. So how it differ for infant, then for toddler, for preschooler, it has been mentioned here. How they should become self-reliant and task completion and feeling empathy for others, like that empathetic or altruism, that we have already studied about altruism and empathy. Then and seriation, short term goals, कौन short term goals रहिबा दरकार जोटा कि हमर long term goal को help करिवो. Like long term goals are cognitive development, emotional development, language development, social development. So what should be the short term goals to reach the long term goals? तो कौन activities हमें करि परिबा? Suppose गोटे week रे कौन करि परिबा, one day रे कौन करि परिबा, गोटे month रे कौन करिबा, सेउडा का हमको curriculum develop करियाको पड़िबो. So the long term goal of helping children develop their conversational skill can be achieved through the following short term goals. Then giving children opportunity to talk to each other, involving children in a discussion on a regular basis, then asking children questions related to the activity they are doing, then helping them know that they must listen attentively to others. एगुड़ा सब जेतले हमें करिबा every day or every week, every month जेतले करिबा, जेतले every day or every week सेटा होची short term goals, कोन activities हमें कोन करछे सेटा होची short term goals, आउ सेटा हमें केमिति अचीव करि पारछे गोटे पिलार cognitive, language, motor skills, सेटा हमको देखिया को पड़बो. Then comes your एठी जो देछि, what is the difference? I mean, long term and short term goals apamanकर confusion thiba. Long term hochi helping toddlers develop muscular control for fine and gross motor skills. So how it can be achieved? Through short term goals to help the children practice walking, then giving children opportunity to hold and grasp object, scribbling, then practicing throwing and catching. So एगुड़ा सब गोटे सब एथे देछि केमति cognitive development हबो, केमति self confidence develop हबो through short term goals, and these are the long term goals to help the infant to know that she can have an effect on things. So these are the things it has been mentioned in this unit 30. Then selecting the play activities. What are the play activities you should choose for infant, for toddlers, for preschoolers? एठी जो देछि eye and hand coordination पे, like the toddlers scribbling, painting, finger painting, arranging jigsaw puzzles, then threading leaves, beads, एवडा सब केमति develop करि परिबा to have this fine motor skills. Then matching color cards, identifying object of a particular color, labeling colors or the colors of flowers or leaves, animals. Then group activities. Then comes your formulating daily schedule. केमिति गोटे daily schedule आपण करि परिबे. एठी गोटे बहुत बढ़िया example देछि, because they have this people, people, they have studied a lot and they have formed these kind of these activities, and what I mean, very simplified way they have written it, but it is very important lines they have written. So to foster all-round development, you must see that over a period of a week, some activities have been planned for each area of development. What are the each area of development? First one is your what? Physical, then cognitive, then emotional, social, then your language development. So these are the 5 major development of a child should be there through short-term goals to reach these long-term goals. Then checking charts should be there to know if the child has been improved or what can be the improvisation process. Then during the day you must have activity. Good day activities kon hoba darkar. सेटा माने फिजिकल एक्टिविटी रहिथिबो किछि क्वाइट एक्टिविटीज रहिथिबो किछि इमेजिनेटिव जोटा किछि फैंटेसी रहिथिबो छुआ मानकर कोन सेटा को ड्रामाटाइज करके प्ले थ्रू रे करि परिबे आउटडोर गेम्स कोन खेली परिबे therefore these experiences of strenuous physical activity must be there with a quiet and quiet play gote physical play mane vigorous play sangare gote quiet play bi rahiba darkar during the day there should be some indoor game then some outdoor games then there must be balance between structured activities or free play केते गुडा स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी जेमति आगुरु हमें कहितले गोटे हमें स्केच करिकि गोटे पिला को कहबा जे एई भली आंक कि गोटे छोटो हमें गोटे क्लियर बनै कि हमें कहबा सेटा को बना ताले दोज आर कॉल्ड स्ट्रक्चर्ड play with the help of the caretaker or the caregiver. Then free is what you just give the color, they let them do whatever they want to do. You just give a little, I mean, plasticine or dough, let them do whatever it comes to their mind. Those are called free games. Then during the day, you must organize both group and individual activities. Then over the week, they can carry some activities that the children are familiar with and some new play or some new activities you should introduce in the curriculum. Then the scheduled activities should be at a reasonable pace throughout the day. It should not be very slow activities or it should not be very fast activities. So each activities you can give 20 to 25 minutes for each activities. Then comes schedule for preschoolers. They have mentioned one of the ways you can structure the day to identify the activities that are generally carried out at a specific time each day. जिभଳି भाबे फिक्स एक्टिविटीज माने सकाळे आसीबे समान को गोटे कराबो जे जेतोळे आसीबे पिला माने just to acquaint themselves, just to familiarize the children with the school. They'll have to talk to each other, hug each other, greet each other, good morning or something they have to say to the daycare person or amongst themselves. They should tell, greet them, hug them. So after that, someone feel comfortable, feel then you can do that this thing, talk to them and few minutes the tone for the day. This is also a time when the children will talk to each other, begin to play spontaneously with play material. तांको से तोड़ फ्री प्ले दे बापारे आगे से तोड़ कथा आवे ग्रीट करिवे तापर जे तोड़ फ्री प्ले दे हाबो तापरे जाई कि सेटा को अन्य गुडा को फ्री प्ले परे पुनी टिके स्नैक्स दियाबो पुनी तपर स्ट्रक्चर प्ले दियाबो तापरे समाने this is a half day schedule भी दिया है जी snacks time हबो then going home then 15 to 20 minutes all should be within 15 to 20 minutes. Then after allotting them the time for the routine activities, the rest of the time can be used for scheduling play activities. After snack also some play, then they can go home. So everything is written here in a proper way. There is another approach you can adopt as regards scheduling play activities. Instead of carrying out all the play activities related to a particular theme in one day, you can devote some time each day to the theme that spread activities across. Suppose एमिति भी करी हबो गोटे वीक रे गोटे थीम में जे जंगल और फॉरेस्ट को नहीं कि you can play activities or you can plan out activities which is related to a forest. Tree भी रहिबो, animals भी रहिबो, birds भी रहिबे, flowers भी रहिबो. तो सेही भलिया activities. Suppose ए week रे forest रहिला. तार next week रे करिवे जे सब जो गुडा को doctors जो profession जो सब अच्छी सब जो बनका सेमान को नहीं कि गोटे theme करिवे. So each week should have on a proper theme. Then the children, they learn in a better way. तापरे आसुची सबुळे छुआ मानकु इन्वॉल्व करिवे मनकर पिला माने आसीले स्कूल को आसले समान निजे निजे काउंट करिवे जे केतेटा पिला अछन केतेटा झियो अछन केतेटा पुओ अछन सो in that way they will learn how to count. Then ask them to find out each a child was to get one pencil or two pencil, one color and which color. So in this way they will learn the color, they'll learn the counting. सेई भले हमको सिखेबा को पड़िबो. Then half a day schedule एठी जो देछि केमति 9टा रु 9टा पिला माने आसीबे असेंबली हबो राइम्स गाइबे तापर 9टा रु 9टा रु 10टा केमति आउटडोर प्ले हबो देन 10टा रु 11टा केमति स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटीज हबो देन ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स केमति से थीम बेस्ड सब करिसेंती then 11टा रु 11:30 केमति स्नैक्स टाइम देन स्टोरी टेलिंग टाइम देन 12 to 12:30 indoor game. Then 12:30 to 12:45 is the half day schedule. Then comes your checking chart. After making the schedule, you should know whether you have incorporated, I mean, अपन माने सेथिरे रखिचंती कि नहीं, एतरे physical development होची कि नहीं, motor development होची कि नहीं, socio-emotional development होची कि नहीं, what are the activities, whatever the activities you have been doing, सेथिरे सेगुडा सब आसोची कि नहीं, language development होची कि नहीं, then cognitive development होची कि नहीं, through outdoor, through indoor game, ए सब होची कि नहीं, play, discussion, storytelling, flashcard. सो एगुडा सब नै कि जो आपण माने करूचंती सेइथिरे एई सब जो लॉन्ग टर्म डेवलपमेंट जोडा कम कहली जे फिजिकल सोशल लैंग्वेज कॉग्निटिव एई सब डेवलपमेंट होउची कि नै छुआ मान कर. देन कम्स एठी गोटे देछि फुल डे शेड्यूल रो भी गोटे देछि केमति 9टा रु आसो पिला केमति गोटे जाय कोन करबो सब से 15-20 मिनिट्स सब गुडा एक्टिविटीज करे कि सेटा देछि द शेड्यूल. देन इन्वॉल्विंग चिल्ड्रन इन प्लानिंग जो प्लान अपन माने करछन इट शुड बी वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल अपन माने जोटा कहछ ना एटा माने एटा कहबो से भुलिया नै देखिते पिला माने जदि अपन माने कहबे आज एटा करबा दे मे नॉट बी इन अ मूड टू डू दैट तो semane jota kahibe so you can change it a little. So how can you involve the children? You can involve the children in deciding the play activities. So when you talk about different festivals, for example, ask the children what festival they want to celebrate, they celebrate at home, and what activities can be taken up in the center in relation to the festival. Suppose masane कहबे हमें दिवाली हमें करछु तो दिवाली पे हमें कौन एक्टिविटीज करि परिया. सो थ्रू दीज जो पेपर कटिंग ए सब दी कलर करी की स्केचेस करी की हमें ता थ्रू रे से दिवाली एक्टिविटीज उडा का करैबा ता थ्रू रे से सिखुचंती माने केमती इमेजिन करी की केमती क्रिएटिविटी ए करी की मोटर स्किल्स भी रहउची आउ आई हैंड कोऑर्डिनेशन भी रहउची जेतले समाने गोटे पेपर रे बनउचंती और कोलाज करूचंती दिवाली रे सब जो पेंटिंग और ड्राइंग गुडा को से थ्रू रे समाने बुझुचंती तांकर कॉग्निटिव स्किल भी सते बढ़ुची से जेतले कथा होचंती दिवाली विषय रे की स्टोरी गोटे टेक केयर सेंटर रे गोटे टीचर जेतले कहूची समाने सते जानुचंती भी लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट भी ता द्वारा होची. So involving children is very much necessary. एठी भी आगुडे देछि schedule for a week activities, a day activities देछि, month activities भी देछि. Then schedule for older toddlers कोन जिंस हमें करि परिबा for the older children. तारे भी गोटे फुल डे रो देछि कोन खा के दिया हबो कोन स्नैक दिया हबो कोबले एक्टिविटीज हबा दरकार. Then schedule for infants and younger toddlers भी एठी गोटे बहुत बढ़िया एठी सेगुडा सब इन डिटेल दिया हेची. देन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड स्ट्रक्चर इन डेली शेड्यूल भी केमती भाबरे करि पारिबो. तापरे हमर आसुची मैनेजिंग ए लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ चिल्ड्रन किबोली भाबे हमें लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ चिल्ड्रन को किबोली भाबे संभाली पारिबा इन अ डेज केयर सेंटर. So you'll have to divide in groups. Suppose 30 students अछंदी ताले समान को 5 ग्रुप के 6 ग्रुप के 7 के 10 ग्रुप रे करकी समान को अलगा अलगा करकी समान को हमें खेलै पारिबा. Otherwise it's very difficult to manage the large group of children. So make it very clear to the children what they can do, what they cannot do. This aspect should be taken care of even in a smaller group. To avoid situations where children are likely to get into fights. मानकर आपण माने कहबे जे गोटे चित्र बने पे तो पेंटिंग देबे कलर्स देबे सब समस्त आसे कि फाइटिंग करिवे से बड़ा सिचुएशन यू शुड नॉट डू one by one they can take one color then another child will take another color then when that child will finish the color they can exchange those colors then then younger children tend to fight over the same toys so some of them can be distracted by taking outside जदि कोई पिला दी जन झड़ा गोटे पिला को आपण माने लेकी नहीं परिवे से आउटडोर गेम भी खेली परिवो सो इन अ बिगर ग्रुप सो एगुडा सब जो देची गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर विल हेल्प यू इन एवरी सिचुएशन किबड़ी भाबे ताको जबरदस्ती न करके किबड़ी भाबे बुझे की और समथिंग टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट द चाइल्ड you can do it I mean to curb this fighting then comes it is of summing up is whole about why the curriculum should be there and what kind of curriculum long term short term daily then weekly then monthly and what kind of play you should have vigorous play then quiet play and these when you are preparing the curriculum you should keep it in your mind that whether you are achieving the different skills the important skills or development of a child like physical motor emotional social and language development and cognitive development so this is about unit 30 then comes your unit 31 setting up and running the center so when you have set up a center so you first you have done the curriculum what are the curriculum should be there for the holistic development of a child then how to set up and run the child care center space for the center then organizing indoor spaces organizing outdoor spaces what are the equipments and play materials you should have in that child care center then what kind of workers you should have in the center then records and registers then obtaining funds go through हमको मिली परिवो सेटा भी हमें देखिबा when you want to set up a center then what is the objective of this unit what are the factors should be considered when looking for accommodation for the center then indoor space हवा दरकार outdoor space कौन हवा दरकार कौन play materials हवा दरकार रहिबा दरकार कौन हमर इक्विपमेंट जेमति टेबल चेयर अलमीरा ए सब रहिबा दरकार को टाइप रो टेबल को टाइप रो चेयर से सब भी हमें भाबिया को पड़ियो because these are for infant toddlers and preschoolers then space केमति हे परिवो ठीक अछि विलेज एरिया रे बहुत रक स्पेस मिली पारे किंतु अर्बन एरिया रे सिटी एरिया रे बहुत कम स्पेस थाए तेणु आमे कम स्पेस रे भी किबड़ी भाबे गोटे पिलार माने गोटे बड़ हॉल नै कि कम चेयर टेबल पके कि कोबड़ी भाबरे एक्टिविटीज करि परिबा सेटा आमे भाबिबा दरकार देन sanitary conditions should be good lighting conditions should be good then ventilation proper ventilation rahiba darkar gote daycare center then safety is very important when looking for accommodation for the center avoid places which are nearer to the ponds streams or open wells or busy road jodi heitho sethi bi rahiba darkar nei ei bolia kichi अछि तापरे stagnant water जोठी के मसा सब हे परिवो से मसा थिवो से गुडा जगह रे बेसी थिवो से गुडा जगह रे हमें डे केयर सेंटर करिवा ठीक नुओ then comes you can take up the help of this mahila mandal panchayat office for the building you can request them for a open space to have this daycare center एबोली भाबे से कोतुरा का सब देछि को जगह रे कोबरे अछि देन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इंडोर स्पेस हमें केमति रहबा दरकार गोटे रूम रे कोन रहबा दरकार बड़ रूम हबा दरकार तेथिरे हमें एक्टिविटी एरिया गोटे रहबा दरकार जो कि एक्टिविटी एरिया रो सेट गोटे सेल्फ थिबो सेल्फ रे सब जिंसोरा को ओपनली रखा हेतुवा किछि जिंस से पिला माने कि भली डिसिप्लिन जो सिखिबे गोटे जो जगह रो मानकर के आनिला गोटे ब्लॉक आनिला से ब्लॉक बॉक्स टाको पुणी से पिला ने कि सेठी रखिबो सो दैट वे वी आर टीचिंग देम डिसिप्लिन এই সব লেখা হয়েছি কোম হ্যান্ড ব্যাগ কোটি কোন রহিব সেটি সব গোটে 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 আক্টিভিটি এরিয়া রে সেমানে দউচନ୍ତି आउ को एरिया रे जो इन्फेंट जते होची कि टॉडलर से माने सोइबा को जगह रे स्नैक्स पर टिके सोंदी 15 मिनिट सोइबा जगह कोठी रहिबा दरकार एंड इट शुड बी लार्जर स्पेस लाइक क्लमजी है कि गोटे छोटो रूम रे से माने एक्टिविटीज की सोइबा से जिनसा करिबा कथा रैक्स कोन होबा रहबा दरकार एटी देची The following quotation of an expert in the field interesting and thought-provoking. Everything present in the environment, even the spatial arrangement, communicates to the child how to live in that setting. Then materials that are in good condition and placed on open shelves tell a child that the materials are valued, that they are meant to be considered, and that a child may take them off the shelf by herself. When they are taken off the shelf, they leave a space empty, and so it's easy for them to put it back in the shelf. Then what kind of message does a child get from the shelves crowded with an odd assortments of objects, few of which are intact? ए जो गुड़ा का जो हमें सिखाऊचे that cupboard रे that space where they should take that thing and where they should put it back. सेगुड़ा कामरा सिखेइबा दरकार गोटे डे केयर सेंटर रे एटी गोटे डे केयर सेंटर रे गोटे पिक्चर भी देजी how they are doing the activities with a day care person in a group. तापरे देची organizing outdoor spaces. Outdoor space हमारा केमती थिबा दरकार climate. In hot climate, you need to protect children from heat and direct sunlight. Shady places outdoors, under the tree, you can make them play. You have to keep it in your mind when you will be having your daycare center. Outdoor ta kiboli bhavare bhalo haba darkar kemti semane tiki bada space ample space rahiba darkar for the playground, for the activities like running, jumping, digging, climbing, exploring, then sliding, swinging, crawling. एगुड़ा सब जमते टनल रहबा दरकार ट्राइसाइकिल बुले परिबा दरकार ए सब गुड़ा को सब जो ब्लॉक्स से की रहता है सेगुड़ा भी होबा दरकार for their physical development or motor development or gross motor and then fine motor development also is required through these activities, outdoor and indoor activities. Then surface of the playground should receive special attention. It should have good drainage रहिबा दरकार आउ सैंड भी किछि रहिबा दरकार किछि किछि जगह रे रोप रहिबा दरकार समान को जंप करिया पई ए बुढा किछि जिंस बाहर भी हमर रखिबा दरकार गोटे डे केयर सेंटर कले through that so they can learn the outdoor activities, physical activities. I would a fence rahba darkar, have a fence around the playground so that the children are protected from traffic. Do not overcrowd the space with play equipment, as doing so you will reduce the space and it leads to accidents. So rubbish lying on or broken equipment that can cause accident that you will have to remove it. So एटी गोटे देची गोटे ये देची प्लान देची स्केच देची जे कोठी सिंक रहबा दरकार कोठी डोर रहबा दरकार कोठी विंडो रहबा दरकार कोठी रैक कोठी टेबल रहबा दरकार सो एटी बहुत बढ़िया भाबरे एटी गोटे ड्रा करके देचनी देन को बढ़िया भाबरे इक्विपमेंट आउ प्ले मटेरियल रहबा दरकार इक्विपमेंट माने जो चेयर की टेबल लो चेयर रहबा दरकार बुलेटिन बोर्ड ब्लैक बोर्ड देन पानी रखिबा पई spoon, mugs, buckets सब रहबा दरकार गोटे क्रेस और डे केयर फैसिलिटी फॉर प्रीस्कूलर you will need to have some cots गोटे खट किछि तापर झूला रहबा दरकार आ किछि कोना रहबा दरकार प्लेट्स ग्लासेस स्पून्स एंड रैक फॉर एक्स्ट्रा शीट्स टॉवेल्स फूड आइटम मिल्क बॉटल्स ए सब गुडा को जिंस रहबा दरकार गोटे डे केयर सेंटर रे माने these are the equipment. Then indoor furniture should have no sharp edges. Sharp edge रहिबा कथा नो छुआ मान को इंजुरी हे पारे आउ लो टेबल रहिबा दरकार जोथि सन बसी परिबे पिक्चर स्टोरी बुक्स कौन रहबा दरकार ओल्ड मैगजीन्स न्यूज़पेपर ब्लॉग्स एवडा सब पिला मन पे खेलिया पे दरकार पेंट मटेरियल ब्रश ए सब भी रहबा दरकार देन एज ग्रुप अनुसार आमे हार्डबोर्ड और जूट कि काठ कि कौन ए सब जिनस भी रहबा दरकार फॉर लिटिल आई मीन प्री स्कूलर्स से जो गुड़ा का इसको देची डेंजरस मटेरियल लाइक स्ट्रिंग और छोटे छोटे बीड्स और सीजर एवडा सब रहया कथा नो पिला माने ताको धोकी दे पारंदी टॉक्सिक पेंट सेगुड़ा को रहया दरकार व्हिच इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ तो आमे सेई भलिया सब माइंड रे सब रखी की आमे सेई भलिया जिंस किनिबा दरकार जोटा की पिला मानकू हार्म करिवनी तापरे आसुची वर्कर्स इन द सेंटर जो पिला आमे को जो माने हेले भी पिला को संभाली देबे सेई भलिया न सबन को किछिटा स्किल रहिबा दरकार जो माने की छुआ माने को संभाली पारिबे knowledge skill attitude of the worker in a child center they should have warm friendly patient and capable of responding to the individual need of each child se mane sabu chuara ko chuara kona need au they have to be very affectionate they have to be very friendly they'll have to have patience jodi nathibo tale gote worker gote day care center re काम करि परिबनी and always he or she should have a very pleasant attitude got a smiling attitude positive attitude towards each child 80 dechi ideally got a chuar infant yere 1 to 3 ratio re rahiba katha or 1 to 5 ratio re rahiba katha for infant and 1 to 4 or 1 is to 6 ratio for toddlers then 1 is to 8 or 1 is to 10 for preschooler rahiba darkar but we live in a very populated country amara ete ei ideally to kari habani but we can kichita ye kari habo 1:20 amara preschool le kari pariya 1:15 kari pariya toddlers mane pai 1:7 amara infant pai worker rahiba darkar then amara sei sabu guda ko ye kariya pai gote man kar gote day school hela I mean day care center hela sethre gote mini van ki gote choto gadi rahiba darkar gote driver rahiba darkar jo pilan ko naba aniba kariya pai then say jo top ye guda ka they also need training in order to able to translate the knowledge into practical skill to amara se jo ICDS ame aguru padi thile integrated child development services mobile crisis have their own in service training program se mane bhi training diyanti say ICDS mobile crisis mane diyanti early childhood education scheme bhi achi then bal sevika training program achi nursery teachers training bhi achi for knowledge and skills of a child care person then record and register rahiba darkar but attendance register rahiba darkar ko pila asuchi kete bole asuchi tar gote register rahiba darkar stock register rahiba darkar ko equipment amaro day care center re rahuchi paper pen these play activities everything it should be in the stock register tapre hochi health and growth chart of each individual gote register rahiba darkar au gote rahiba darkar progress made by the child तारो रेगुलर जो कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट केते होची तारो लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट केते होची ईच चाइल्ड रो गोटे रजिस्टर रहबा दरकार तापर होची कैश बुक आउ पेटी कैश रजिस्टर रहबा दरकार अकाउंट लेजर रहबा दरकार सैलरी रजिस्टर रहबा दरकार फॉर द वर्कर फॉर द टीचर or for the driver so all these things and these are the equipment these are the things is needed for setting up of a daycare center then how to get funds ICDS bhi kichita diye then early childhood education scheme de bhi lok man ko mile mane monetary help mile or some voluntary organization they also help in setting up of a daycare center or this early childhood center କିଛି ଗୁଡାକ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର ସବୁ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାକ ଏନପିଇ ଅଛି, ଏନସି ଅଛି, ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ସୋସିଆଲ ୱେଲଫେୟାର ବୋର୍ଡ ଅଛି, and from the bank also it can be, the fund can be obtained. ତ ଆମର ଏ ସବୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପଢିଲେ ଏଇଥିରେ ସ୍ପେସ୍ କେମିତି ହବା ଦରକାର, କଣ ଆମର ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବା ଦରକାର, କୋଉ ପ୍ଲେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟର ଡେ କେୟାର ସେଣ୍ଟର ସେଟିଂ ଅପ ରେ ଦରକାର, କୋଉ କୋଉ ୱାର୍କର କୋଉ ଭଳିଆ ନଲେଜ ଥିବା ଦରକାର, ଆମେ ଏଇ ୟୁନିଟ 31 ରେ ଆମେ ପଢିଲେ। ଦେନ୍ comes your unit 32. Unit 32 is involving the family and the community. Why it is required to involve the family members or the community people in the child care center. Relating with the family, methods of reaching out to the parents, then community participation, how the community can, we can include them in daycare center for for enhancement or for anything, any opinion you need or any support you need from the community, that is required. Then establishing rapport with other adults in the center. In other units, we have been talking of the roles and responsibility of the caregiver with reference to the developing skills of working with the children and planning activities for them. Apart from developing a relationship with the children, the caregiver has to also give special attention to forming a rapport with other people who are involved in activities of child care. She has to remember that she cannot work alone but needs the support of the parents and other adults and in the child care center and the community. In this unit, we will discuss why the caregiver needs the support of all these people. এই যে আমি চ্যাপ্টার রে আমি পড়িবা যে কাহিকি গোটে caregiver or the child care center দরকার ଅଛି ফ্যামিলি संगे रिलेशन माने रखिबा, ताकर ओपिनियन नबा दरकार, गोटे कम्युनिटी रे गोटे सेमानकर हेल्प नबा दरकार. So objective of this is why parents and community should be a part of this child care center. Then different methods through which parents can be motivated to participate in the program. Then you can how the community can help in the activities of the center. Then skills of a caregiver while interacting with parents and the community people. এই সব জিনিস আমি এইথরে পড়িবা यूनिट 32 এই যে यूनिट 32 রে involving the family and the community. Then children are linked to their parents. ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ କେୟାର ସେଣ୍ଟର କୁ ଆସନ୍ତି, ସପୋଜ ଇନଫାଣ୍ଟ or a toddler or a preschooler, ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସନ୍ତି, they have a very close bonding with their parents. So when they come, when they are involved in their activity, the efforts of the caregiver at the center would not be ମାନେ ସେତେ ବେଶୀ ଇଏ ହବନି ଯଦି ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ parents ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନ ନେଇକି କାମ କରିବା. Not only parents but other family members who share the responsibility of caregiving will have to include those people as well. The grandparents who in many situations participate in looking after the child. आपण माने एबे देखिथियो पेरेंट्स डे हुए छोटो गोटे चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर रे भी हो, एबे किछि दिन आगरो जो न्यूज देइतला जे अजाई को संगे जेजेबापा जेजेबांग संगे गोटे दिन. So the grandparents also they play a very important role in the child care center. बापा माँ जेजेबापा जेजेमा अजा आई समस्तଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ରୋଲ ଅଛି in a child to be involved in the child care center. How this can be achieved will depend on the individual needs of the center. The objectives of child care service would also determine the kind of activity the caregiver can organize or plan for parent involvement. जेपरि भाबरे म कहली एबे किछि दिन आगरो जो न्यूज आसिला, न्यूज भारतिला जे आजि जेजे बापा माने अजाई जेजे बापा जेजे मांग दिन माने एका संगे सेने खेलिबे छुआ मान संगे. तो सेमान को गोटे पेरेंट्स डे बडिया ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे भी सब स्कूल माने ऑर्गेनाइज करछन्ती और द डे के सेंटर से माने ऑर्गेनाइज करछन्ती just to involve them. say bhaliya kariki the plans of the caregiver from the home and the community will also be determined to some extent by them. एटी किछटा एग्जांपल भी देछि को गोटे विलेज रे केमतिया गोटे अछि से केमिति इन्वॉल्व करूछि सब पेरेंट्स ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड अदर पीपल ए गुडा का एग्जांपल देछि केमति डेवलप हे परिवो डेवलप स्किल्स ऑफ इंटरेक्शन make parents feel a part of the center, provide parents with support and help, accept and invite any help and criticism from the parents they offer. Gote improvise kariya pe gote day care center re tapre aschi what this want the support of the family. First and foremost, the caregiver has to believe in the fact that she needs the support of parents. In other words, she must be interested in interacting with them and the other family members. If she is not convinced about this aspect, she will not be able to work with them. जदि गोटे caregiver से भावुछि जे नाइ मु सब एकाटिया कर देबी मते से छुआर फैमिली मेंबर संगे मोर किछि कम्युनिकेशन रहइबा दरकार नै, then it's very difficult for the child for the caregiver to give a best for the child. Then develop skills of interaction. The caregiver needs to develop the ability to interact with the parents in such a way that they will feel comfortable. सबु दिन जदि सबु बळे गोटे छुआर पेरेंट्स संगे गोटे दिन 4-5 टा आवर दिन आउ 4-5 टा एम जदि सबु दिन छुआ गोटे केयरगिवर जदि पेरेंट्स मान संगे कथा हबो ए पिलाटी कोन करछि ए छुआटे कोन करछि जदि हम सबु बळे कथा हबा गोटे चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर और द चाइल्ड केयर गिवर जो ताहले हमरो रैपो बढ़िले गोटे छुआर कोन नीड और कोन अलगा ताको करिले से बुझी पारिबो सेटा हमें पेरेंट्स थ्रू हमें जानि पारिबा. देन मेक पेरेंट्स कंफर्टेबल हबा दरकार ताका संगे कथा हे कि से माने कंफर्ट फील करिया दरकार. व्हाट द चाइल्ड ईट्स फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग शी स्लीप्स एंड सो ऑन मे बी मेंशन टू देम. रैपो केमति डेवलप करा हबो गोटे छुआ से चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर रे कोन करूची और घरे कोन करथला तो ए सब जो डिफरेंसेस और कोन हमें आउ कोन करि पाले से पिलाटी कंफर्टेबली खेली पारिबो. ही विल लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज स्किल्स सेटा जे हमें पेरेंट्स संगे कथा हे परिबा ताले बेटर हबो ताकर डेवलपमेंट पाई. केमिति करा हबो गोटे छोटो फेस्टिवल गोटे हला कि एनुअल डे हला कि हमारे जब इंडिपेंडेंस डे और रिपब्लिक डे और सेमती छोटो गोटे चिल्ड्रंस डे हला चिल्ड्रंस डे रे पेरेंट्स मान को जदी हमें इन्वॉल्व करे कि समान कुछ काम करि परिबा then it is better for the child care center and it is better for the parent, better for the child as well. तापरे accept and invite any help parents are able to offer. जते बेले पिला माने गोटे ट्रिप करिया पे जाउचे बाहर गोटे ट्रिप करिया पे गोटे जू देखिया पे जदी किछि पेरेंट्स कहबे आमे भी जिबु आमे भी किछि पिला को आमे हेल्प करिवो समस्त को तो गोटे केयर गिवर गोटे दीटा वर्कर को नेकी करि परिवन तो पेरेंट्स माने जते बेले निजे से माने वॉलंटरी से माने जदी आमे से माने कहउचंती जिबे देन इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर द केयर गिवर. सेमती माने जमती सरस्वती पूजा हो कि गणेश पूजा हो कोन जे कोन से फेस्टिवल रे यदि पेरेंट्स माने आसी के हेल्प करचती खाइबा बनिया पे कि आउ कोन करिया पे कि सजेइबा पे then it is always help for the child care center. Then cater to expectation. We have mentioned that the kind of support parents or expect would vary with the situation. In some cases, the parents talk about it, while in others, the caregiver may have to find out what they expect from the center. किछि किछि एरे parents माने कहती ए हमर दरकार ए खेलना कि ए जिंस आउटडोर गेम्स एडा रहबा दरकार इंडोर गेम्स या रहबा दरकार केते पेरेंट्स माने कहती आउ केते सिचुएशन रे चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर जे केयरगिवर सी भाबी कि रखिया दरकार जे पेरेंट्स मान को पचा दरकार आउ कोन करले ए चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर रे भलो हेई पारिबो. तापर मेथड्स ऑफ रीचिंग आउट टू पेरेंट्स केमिति भाबे हमें पेरेंट्स मान पाखु को हमें ताके संगे कथा हेई पारिबा जेमती आमे कथा ये कले सब दिन आमे कथा हे परिया और गोटे दिन रखिथिबा वीक रे गोटे दिन रखिथिबा पेरेंट्स डिस्कशन पे टू टॉक टू द पेरेंट तो सेई दिन रखी सब पेरेंट्स संगे आमे कथा भी हे परिबा तापरे आमे रखिथिबा इम्यूनाइजेशन शेड्यूल कोन कोन आमे कथा हबा कोन इम्यूनाइजेशन आमे शेड्यूल बनै परिबा और इन्फेंट जे हेले ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग पे ता मदर केतबे आसी परिबे न्यूट्रिशियस स्नैक्स केमतिया हे परिबो कोन कोन हे परिबो सो वी कैन डिस्कस विद द parents. Then developing good eating habits can be common problems and issues in disciplining toys for children, books for children, importance of play in learning. So ei sabu jinsa ame kotha hai pariba parents manaka sangare. Then newsletter, you know that apart from the face-to-face interaction, the caregiver can send messages to the parents in different ways through the children or through the person who brings them to the center. In some cases, older brothers and sisters or the family members may be doing this task. So messages can be given verbally or in writing. If the resources in the center permit, the caregiver can also plan a newsletter on a regular basis. Newsletter mane a week re amaro कोन कोन आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज हला कोन इंडोर एक्टिविटीज हला कोन से माने खेलिले सो किछिटा पिलार गोटे फोटो देकी से माने खेलु चंदी तो ए सब बने की गोटे न्यूज़लेटर बने की सब पेरेंट्स माने पाखु गले आउरी भला. Then outing and celebration. When the center celebrates festivals or special days, parents can be invited. जेमति के पूजा हला annual day हला और parent child interaction हला parent child जदि हमरो parents मानकर गोटे खेल मानकर competition करी हला तो parent भी सेथरे involve हले छुआ माने भी involve हले so से माने से belongingness से गोटे child care center रे गोटे belongingness ताकर आसीबो तापर होची community participation एटा करला तो family member और siblings केमति हमें ताको involve करै परिबा तापर आसी community केमति हमें community को involve करेगा in child care center. First and foremost, the child care person, I mean, she has to know the community. So, जोठी रहुची से community विषय रे ताको जानिबा दरकार. And in the community, there are people, material resources, and natural resources. The educator has to know the kinds of services people in the community can offer. That would benefit the functioning of the center. Example, transportation, recreation, and she has to also know what resources exist in the environment, books, films, audio cassettes, natural resources like rivers, pond, then she has to structure the experiences in the center to benefit the children. In other words, she has to organize activities in the center keeping in mind the environment of the children. This is not difficult to understand if we recall the issues we had discussed in some unit, I think, socio-cultural context of childhood. A child who lives in the rural area will have different experience as compared to a child who lives in the city. Consider the following incident. Gote pila dechi चंदेर गोटे 8 वर्षर छुआ से आसीथिला सिटी को फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आउ से जाइतला मार्केट तार बड़ भाई संगे टू ब्रिंग मिल्क एंड सॉ मिल्क फ्लो आउट ऑफ द मशीन सो व्हेन अ कॉइन वाज पुट इनटू इट he wanted to know whether there were cows sitting inside the booth. तो से गारे देखिछि गोटे गाय रुखिरो आसे किंतु एठी जो गोटे कॉइन इंसर्ट कले से जो मशीन रुखिरो आछि से बुझी पारनी जे कोठु आसुछि मिल्कटा से जो डिफरेंसेस then where does the milk you drink in the morning come from मनकर गोटे पिला को पचरा हला से कहला जे मो गोटे बॉटल रो हमें खीरो पिउछु so where does the milk come from? It comes from bottle. So say जो गुड़ा का differences अच्छी between city and rural areas. I mean urban and rural areas. सेमती एगुड़ा सब बहुत गुड़ा देछि how you can include the community people like camps on educational meeting of mothers गोटे awareness camp हबो मनकर को गोटे polio literacy camp हबो और nutrition ऊपर camp करिवे ताले सेथिरे community भी सेथिरे involve हेई परिवे एठी देछि sometimes kirtans are organized and festivals are celebrated आ गोटे ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज भी कम्युनिटी संगे जेमती एठी देछि एक्टिविटीज ऑफ क्षत्रिय नाटकीय मंडलीय नाटक जो पपेट शो भी हुए कि नाटक हुए और नुक्कड़ नाटक हुए तो हमें सेथिरे हमें कम्युनिटी को इन्वॉल्व करे कि हमें स्कूल संगे ताको मिसे के हमें काम करू then establishing a rapport with other adult in the center. Apart from the parents, other family members and the community, there are people in the center who are also performing the role of a child care. जेमती के एठी देछि गोटे रिक्शा गोटे आनुची पिला को से रिक्शा पुला थ्रू रे गोटे चाइल्ड केयर माने केयर गिवर से कोन से मैसेज ता थ्रू रे से छुआरा पेरेंट्स मान को दउची से पेरेंट्स माने से रिक्शा पुला थ्रू रे केयर गिवर को दउछन whatever they want to convey to the caregiver. So see bhi gote काम करছে. So how to work with these people, a driver, a bus driver or auto driver or rickshaw puller semane bhi they also are working in close close contact with the caregiver for communicating messages to the parents and also that way parents to the caregiver. ए बुढ़ा भाबरे हमर एटा सामिंग अपरे जो अछि सब केमती ए केयर गिवर माने केमती कम्युनिटी को नै के केमती फैमिली को नै के की बड़ी भाबरे सपोर्ट नै पारियो समाने फॉर अ डे केयर सेंटर or child care center. Then comes your evaluation. What do you mean by evaluation? काहे की दरकार हमरो evaluation गोटे child care center. Evaluating the play activity, evaluating the children. Why to evaluate the children? Why is it necessary? Then tools for evaluation. Then evaluating the center, evaluating the workers, evaluating the curriculum. Then space and play materials, cleanliness and hygiene. Then recording attendance. Then choosing a child care center. ए सब हमर यूनिट 33 रे हमें पढिबा. यूनिट 33 रे होची evaluation. You have already know that play activities की art group एवरा सब जो करा हुए केमती सेटअप करा जाए चाइल्ड सेंटर करा जाए कोबली भाबरे स्पेस रहबा दरकार कोबली भाबरे हमरो रजिस्टर मेंटेन करिया दरकार को टाइप रो रजिस्टर मेंटेन करिवा दरकार आउ तंग एटीट्यूड ऑफ द केयर गिवर and the worker in the child care center सेडा हमें पढिले एथरे पढिबा जे how will I know whether the center is providing all round development of children. So हमें जते बडे गोटे center ये करूचे whether this is good or this is bad. How will we know if we evaluate in this way that all round development होउची कि नहीं or whether the children have gained something from the activities or at the long term goals and the educational objectives जोड़ा का करा हेची जोड़ा का करिकुलम रे अछि सेटा अचीव करूची कि नै माने से स्कूल ता अचीव करूची कि नै देन जदी न करची कि भले भाबरे हमर प्ले एक्टिविटीज को हम इम्प्रोवाइज कर परिबा आ छुआ मन कर केमती इंटरेस्ट को नै कि हमें प्ले एक्टिविटीज करे परिबा और हमर जो इंडोर आउटडोर गेम्स करे परिबा को भरिया टॉयज हमें रखी परिबा देन should I continue the same method with the next batch of the children or I can change it as a child care giver eta change kale habo na seta joda amaro karuche seta thik achi so we will have to evaluate evaluation pore then we can think whether to improvise or we can continue with whatever we are doing with the curriculum. Then objective of this unit is Unit 33 is understand the importance of evaluation. आमे इवैल्यूएशन नो इंपोर्टेंस हमको जानिबा दरकार काहे कि हमें इवैल्यूएट करिया दरकार हमरो इवैल्यूएट प्ले एक्टिविटीज रो करिया दरकार देन चेकलिस्ट गोटे बनिया दरकार चेकलिस्ट बनेवा को हो दरकार काहे कि ना गोटे छुआर प्रोग्रेस होउची कि नाही देन गोटे एनेक्डोटल रेकॉर्ड माने प्रत्येक छुआर से कौन करूची ता गोटे तार जो एनेक्डोटल रेकॉर्ड तार बिहेवियर टा केमि को भलिया सेटा हमर गोटे टोटल ये करके हम लिखिबा दरकार से देइची भी परे जे को भलिया लेखा जबो देन assess a child care center then help a person to identify a good child care center say जो गुड़ा को देइचे objective of this evaluation means an assessment an appraisal a checkup to see whether the goals are achieved or not evaluation can help you to judge the worth of your teaching the program and the children learning आमे जेतले निजे evaluate करूचे जे हमरो ए जो करिकुलम रो हमरो जो मोटर डेवलपमेंट रो गोटे छुआर अचीव करूचे ठीक हेउची कि नहीं और तार लैंग्वेज स्किल बढ़ुची कि नहीं तार फिजिकल कैपेबिलिटी बढ़ुची कि नहीं तार सोशलाइज ठीक रे करि पारची कि नहीं आमे केमती ताको सेगुडा गोटे छुआ एडा सब अचीव करि पारुची कि नहीं सेटा आमे देखबा ता छडा हमर जो चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर टा वेदर एटा ठीक स्पेस अछि कि नहीं आमे जो इक्विपमेंट टॉयज गुडा के दोचे सेटा का एप्रोप्रिएट अछि कि नहीं for that day for the infant for the toddler for the preschooler से ठीक अछि कि नहीं हमें देखिया दरकार तारा सराउंडिंग्स ता तारा ठीक अछि कि नहीं तारा हाइजीन अछि कि नहीं सैनिटरी कंडीशन तारा ठीक अछि कि नहीं ए सब हमरा इवैल्यूएट करिवा दरकार so what is it that has to be evaluated and who will evaluate it so first of all the question in the beginning of this unit would have given you some clue about aspects that must be evaluated. When the children join your center, you will lay out certain goals and objectives for them, like long-term and short-term goals. You can continue with the similar activities for the next batch of children with some modification to introduce a variety of new ideas. Now, you will have to observe whether the children they enjoy these activities was it fun for them saman ko bhalo laguchi ki nahi evaluating the play activities is very important evaluating the play activity is very important then are these workers enough for the center jo lok mane kaam karchunti semane ठीक अछंती नहीं their attitude ठीक अछि कि नहीं the space is suitable for or not then scheduling जो activities गुडा का are these schedules appropriate suitable for the children then we'll have to see who will evaluate in any center there will be some educators and a person in charge to evaluate gote child care center gote supervisor ye kar paribo gote in charge tak evaluate kar paribo or we will evaluate ourselves also as a child care person then you must yourself familiar with every aspect of the center as well as the means of evaluating गोटे चेकलिस्ट बने कि हमें जदि हमें इवैल्यूएट करिवा गोटे सेंटर हमें निजे निजे भी ताको हमें इवैल्यूएट करि परिबा गोटे चेकलिस्ट बने कि whether we have achieved these goals or not so एठी देछि when studying for an examination you set a goal that by the end of certain time period you would have read a certain portion then at the end of that time period you review whether you have achieved your target or not and in case you have not what you should do about it thus you evaluate your performance self appraisal self evaluation jota kahanti then see where you succeeded and where you failed and then modify your learning strategy suitably then similarly when interacting with people you judge your own behavior and that of others and based upon your evaluation modify your behavior if necessary then ame jetebale nijku ame evaluate karuchi whether my behavior is proper or not then ame jetebale katha ho samaste sange ame janu je nai this behavior is not good this behavior is bad this behavior is okay sei jogura ame nije evaluate karu then ame child care center re bi आमे जेतेबेले हमरो टारगेट रखिताउ जे ए अचीव करू से टारगेट जदि हम अचीव करू ना ताले we will have to modify. So we are not achieving those goals. So how to achieve goals, how to modify it, that we will have to think it over. एठी बहुत गुडा एग्जांपल भी देछि जे मानकर पेरेंट्स मानकर फीडबैक भी दरकार जे से जो डे केयर सेंटर रो केमती आउ भलो हे पारिबो एस बहुत गुडा एग्जांपल देछि प्रेजिंग द चाइल्ड इज वन वे टू प्रोवाइडिंग फीडबैक. You sang well today. Another aspect of feedback is offering children specific information about their progress. जेमती हमर प्रोग्रेस ये कार्ड भी रखा हुए छुआ मानकर जे एई पिलाटा एइथरे भलो करछि ए पिला एइथरे भलो करछि मैथमेटिकल इयर रे भलो अछि और तार क्रिएटिविटी रे भलो अछि तो सेगुडा सब हम जत छुआ माने तो these are all informal education right up to preschool. तेनु हमें सेगुडा का देखिबा गोटे प्रोग्राम रो सक्सेसफुल की फेलियर हमें गोटे गोटे साइकिल गोटे रिलेशन गोटे साइकिल जदि हमें करबा गोटे प्रोग्राम प्लानिंग फर्स्ट होची प्लानिंग तापरे होची इनटू ऑपरेशन और इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दैट प्लान देन कम्स योर इवैल्यूएशन परे को एरिया रे हमरो फेलियर अछि दैट फ्रॉम द फीडबैक वी कुड नो जे ठीक अछि हमरो जो प्ले मटेरियल अछि those are not appropriate. So for example मैं कहूची गोटे मनकर प्ले मटेरियल अछि सेटा समानकर मोटर स्किल डेवलपमेंट रे सेटा किछि हेल्प करूनी और सेटा तांकर जो कॉग्निटिव स्किल सेटा तांकर डेवलप करूनी तो आमे ताको चेंज करबे सम अदर टॉयज वी कैन रिप्लेस तो से गुडा को जो आमे लेखिबा फीडबैक ये रे सेथरु आमे पुनी चेंज भी कर परिबा और से गुडा का हमें नहीं पारिबा. So in most learning situation this form of informal and continuous evaluation and feedback goes on throughout the day. When you organize your own child care center or work in one, you too will be evaluating yourself, the center and the children in this manner. आमे माने किबली बाबा जानिबा जे चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर ता ठीक अछि गोटे तो हला इक्विपमेंट गोटे हला स्पेस गोटे हला हाइजीनिक अछि कि नै टॉयलेट ठीक अछि कि नै चेयर टेबल ठीक अछि नै एप्रोप्रिएट ता छडा सब छुआ मानकर जो प्रोग्रेस से छुआ मानकर प्रोग्रेस भी हमें जानि परिबा जे हमरो चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर ठीक अछि कि नै. Then evaluating the play activities. While evaluating the play activity, this reflect upon whether the children enjoyed the activity or whether it gave children an opportunity to be creative, whether the children learned something from it, whether it was in keeping with their needs and abilities, whether the children were attentive during the activity, if not, what were the reason. काहे कि समाने attentive नाहंती समान को interest काहे कि करूनी. Was the concept too difficult or too simple for the children? Then was the activity not related to the children's interest? Was the method of carrying out the activity unsuitable? And was the play material adequate? So these are very important things when you set up a child care center, and after that you evaluate whether these things you are achieving or not. The evaluation of play activity may be done by the educator herself or by the supervisor. In some cases, supervisor is better able to comment about the activity. Since she is not directly involved in it, sometimes when both the educator and supervisor evaluate the activity, they can pull their comments. समाने मिसी के जेतेबेले हम इवैल्यूएट करंती दैट इज बेटर फॉर अ चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर. एटी गुड एग्जांपल देछि टू हेल्प अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू इवैल्यूएट प्ले एक्टिविटीज. It would be best to give examples, and the following are 4 examples, beautiful example dechi chatta. Example 1 le dechi, what is your goal, then content of the activity, then materials required, then evaluation by the supervisor. In the first example, it's given to give children an opportunity for self-expression and to nurture their creativity. Creativity can be developed or can be self-expression. That is the goal. Then what could be the content? Content of activity is painting. I lay out all the paints on a table and distribute papers and paint brushes to the children. I'll ask the children to pick up the paints as and when they require. Once they finish with a particular color, they should return to it, and so that the others can use it. Then what are the materials required? Paints, paper, paint brushes. Then you can evaluation by the supervisor. There was some confusion during the activity on being told that paints were kept on the table. The children ran towards them. Some children took all the paint. Some children, they could not take the paint. Then shouting that they should finish up quickly. Others complained to the educator that she could not help them since she had no more paint. Some children began to fight with each other, and an opportunity for nurturing children's activity was lost. So the worker can manage the situation better if she divides the children into 4 groups and distributes the paints between these groups. After some time, the groups can interchange the colors, and in this way, the sense of scarcity will be reduced. So, kibali bhabe seta ku kori parla gote worker seta ithre gote example leichi. So the above activity was carried out by the educator within 1 week of her joining the preschool. That she was inexperienced in working with the children is clear. So our example, what is the stories about a fox? When narrating a story, a worker's self-evaluation. It is dechi. Example 2 re dechi eta ke bhayare kora haichi. Then the example brings out the creativity of the worker as well as the children, finding that the story had introduced the concept that the children were unfamiliar with. The worker thought of ways in which she could help the children understand. The art activity she initiated appealed to the children and sparked an interest in what they could create using their hands and feet. So, ये सब गुड़ाको 2-3 तार जो देची example 3 रे देची foster physical and motor development से सब 3-4 जो देची goal कौन रहवा दरकार goal contain materials required then supervisors evaluation. So these things are required to evaluate. 4th देची narrating a story using shadow puppets. ये सब 4टा example बढ़िया देची for motor development, for creativity, for other kinds of goals. Yes, one is the motor development, physical development. So 4 examples it has been mentioned here. So these are the pattern how you can evaluate each activities. Then what a person is necessary at this time while evaluating how you carried out the activity. Do not be overly critical of yourself. Each one of us makes mistake. So this is not so worrying as ame bhabe je eta korine ame thik korne ame failure semti bhabe darkar. Everyone they do mistakes. So it's we should not be panic. So children's expression, queries and comments during and after the activity will help you to know whether or not they have understood. जेकोनोसी जिनसे आमे तळ करूचे पिलावनकर एक्सप्रेशन पिलावनकर क्वेश्चन पचारिया पिलावनकर कमेंट्स रु आमे जानि परिबा जे गोटे एक्टिविटी सेटा ठीक की नहीं और we have achieved properly successfully or not. तापर इवैल्यूएटिंग द चिल्ड्रन आमे छुआ मान करो केमती इवैल्यूएट करे एटा त आमे कले गोटे इयरो के भरी भाबरे डे के आमे चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर रही परबो किंतु छुआ माने कोन सिखिले आमे केमती इवैल्यूएट करबा व्हाई इवैल्यूएट द चिल्ड्रन Firstly, by evaluating children, you can come to know about their behavior, their present level of information, and their skills and ability. Sabu chua to saman nuhanti, sabu samaste alga alga. Kiye cognitive development, kaharo language development bhala thibo, kaharo physical development bhala thibo. So if you evaluate the children, first, first you will have to write their name. After 3 to 4 months, you will have to evaluate the child's progress. Then it would be fruitful to evaluate the children in the first few weeks of their joining the center, then again when they leave the center. This will help you to know what they have learned during their stay with you. If children are going to be at your center for a year or more, you can carry out 3 to 4 evaluation in that time, once every 3 or 4 months. Then secondly, evaluation can help you to plan the curriculum and make it specific to the needs of the children. When you evaluate the children as they join the center, you are able to identify their strength and weakness, their abilities and interests. Then you can plan the play activities accordingly. So in this way, the program becomes more focused and child-centered. Then besides this initial evaluation, regular and periodic evaluation after every 3 or 4 months will help you to know whether or not the children have understood that what you have been teaching them. So thirdly, when the parents ask you about how their child is doing, you'll be able to tell them specific thing, that this child is not able to do this child is able to do these things. So these are the things you can, if you have records, if you evaluate the child's progress, then you'll be able to tell the parents. Then finally, evaluation helps to raise the moral of the teachers. Keeping evaluation records help you to know how each child has grown in every area of development. And this can give you a feeling of tremendous satisfaction. हमें गोटे छुआर जो अचीवमेंट रे हमको लागिबो जे हां हमें जोटा बढ़ीचे से छुआटी भलो करिछि, कॉग्निटिव भलो माने कथा कहि पारुछि, भलो खेली पारुछि, तार हैंड एंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन ठीक है पारुछि. So all these things, it comes under evaluation. Then points to keep in mind while evaluating children. Your observation about each child should be kept confidential. The purpose of evaluation is to help you know each child better well. So do not gossip with other teachers and parents about any child. You must, of course, tell the child's parents what you have observed. अपन माने निजे सेटा को रिकॉर्ड रखी कि आमे कहबानी जे माने गोटे गॉसिप करबानी जे सेंटर जे से पिलाटी बोकाटा से पिलाटा बदमाश से पिलाटा किछि खेलुनी से पिलाटा डल ए सब जिंस आमे गॉसिप करबा ठीक नो इन द सेंटर. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आमे प्रत्येक छुआर जो प्रोग्रेस से तंगर पेरेंट्स को कहबा दरकार. Then interpret the result of the evaluation with caution. It is possible that you may have reached an incorrect conclusion about the child's ability. One child in a preschooler center, for example, refused to practice writing numbers when other children were doing so. Instead, he would fill the page with drawings. The teacher concluded that the child had difficulty in writing. A month later, when she talked to the parent, she found out that the child could write the number from 1 to 10. So when she had carried out the same activity in the preschool, the child found it too simple. So lost interest in it and began to draw to keep himself busy. So pilati जेतबे घरे करूतला गोटे सेंटर रो आसी सेंटर आसी से लेखि पारनी तो से केयर गिवर भाबिला जे आपको किछि आसुनी. तो जेतबे से पेरेंट्स का संग कथा हला तो पेरेंट्स कहले से तो ऑलरेडी he knows how to write from 1 to 10. So when the child knows and he comes to the daycare, child care center, he lost interest in doing the same thing. So he wants to do something else. So while that way, it is always better to talk to the parents, involve the parents. So your evaluation must be objective. Like you must evaluate the behavior as it is observed. Do you remember reading about this point in the section on observation? That you observe the child, what the child is doing. Do not label children after you have evaluated them. This is the most important point of all. It often happens that after assessing children, one says she is intelligent, or don't expect him to try the swing. She is a slow learner. So don't be biased, don't be judgmental in telling that he or she cannot do. In spite of evidence to the contrary, you must have seen this attitude in day-to-day life. So you must guard against these things. Then tools of evaluation. What are the tools? How you can evaluate? One of the easiest way to evaluate children is to observe them. The other methods include evaluating records of children's work, asking children's questions, and interviewing parents after children's development. Then let's read about each one of these. Like observation. Any good preschool worker makes several observations on each child. She knows the likes and dislikes, the behavior pattern, and the abilities of each children in a group. So in your daily life, you must have formed opinion about the children biased, based upon your observation. Perhaps you made comments like this child is friendly with all her friends, or this child is very active. How does one record observation? So there are two ways of doing so. You can record them as brief anecdotal records, or even more briefly than that on the checklist and rating scale. Then maintaining an anecdotal records. These are the notes made by teachers about each child's behavior, which is interesting or significant. The best method of maintaining this record is to use register or a file for each child. Gote file rakhile, it's better always. Observe the child's indoor as well as outdoor, while alone as well as with others. Se ekatia ke bhaliya kheluchi, gote group re kemti kheluchi, structured way play kemti karuchi, gote free taku dele free play kale kemti kori parchi, se ସବୁ observe kariba darkar. How child's growth and progress, strength and weakness. In this way, you can observe 3 or 4 children each week. Thus, over a period of time, you would have observed each child. Semti sabu din duta tinta observe kariki ame pura whole month re pura chuara gote observe kete sabu chuara ame observe kari pariba, note kari pariba. And you must keep this register of files handy, because something may happen that gives you insight into child's behavior, and you may want to record it. Jodi hame record karike rakhuthwa, then only we will know that this child is she doesn't want to paint, she wants to play outside. So here this anecdotal record kemti maintain kariba, it's lekha heichi name of the child, gote hochi lekha heichi date of birth lekha heichi, tapre conclusion kon heichi, gote dinara se gote date deichi je babita gote chua सी आ गोटे छुआ सरला खेलुला, से सरला से खेलिया को चाहुला गोटे स्विंग को, कि तो अन्य पिला माने ताको खेलिया को दौड़तले आउ जेतेबे भी से जाउतला ताको खेलु नथले, ताको पुश करके पार कर दोथले, एंड शी फेल डाउन. सो सेही टाइम रे जो केयर गिवर जेतेबे गला सेतेबे देखला आ गोटे झियो बबीता बोली से आसी गला, गोटे ट्राइसाइकल रे आसिला सरला पाखु को आसिकी ताकू नेकी से कहला तो कांदुचु, ओके यू कम एंड प्ले विथ मी. शी टुक हर हैंड and made her sit on the back of the tricycle. So what could be the conclusion of this girl Babita? That Babita is sensitive, she is empathetic. Se to deji respond show a rare understanding of another child's feeling. When you feel another person's feeling, that is called empathy. So realizing this, Sarla wanted to play with someone. Babita is involved in what she was doing. It is remarkable for a 4-year-old child to show such an understanding and move it with no help. So this kind of empathetic character you have observed and you have written. So that will help in future. Then checklist and rating scale. These are another way you can record your observation, like height, weight, tara interest achi ki nahi. So those are the checklist. So developing checklist for evaluation children's progress. A checklist is a list of items that you consider are important and wish to check upon. It's the Ichisabu. You may want to check, for example, whether the preschooler are developing self-confidence or not. So this you may remember as one of the social goals listed in Unit 30. Yes. What behaviors will show that a preschooler gaining the self-confidence? These are the checklists. Which are the checklists? Initiate conversation with peers, explore new things, is willing to accept responsibility, is able to adjust to the change routines, can take some criticism, take initiative in different situations. So these are the points you should remember while checking the self-confidence of a child. Then another example also is given, how to evaluate. Then checklist of some aspects of socio-emotional development. It's बहुत बढ़िया गोटे देइची गोटे फॉर्मेट देइची जे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस गोटे पिलार राजू अनिल अने सब नाउडा को एस्पेक्ट्स कौन पैरामीटर्स सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस रा कौन पैरामीटर्स रहिबा दरकार इनिशिएट कन्वर्सेशन विथ पियर्स willing to accept responsibility, able to adjust, can take some criticism, initiate in a different situation. Then handling emotion, seta to gala self-confidence. Then handling emotion, express anger in ways that do not hurt people or damage things. Then able to express liking for others, can form and sustain friendship. Then is able to form an emotional bond with adults. So these are the how a child can handle emotions. Then you observe each child and place. When the child shows certain behavior, you can put a tick mark. So this will help you to see which child can do and which are the areas you need to focus upon. So in this way, you can do the checklist and observe the behavior of each child. Then checklist of gross motor skill. Can they have a list of skills? Yes, like Kauchi. Can sit with support for a few minutes, can sit without support, then can turn over the side, can crawl. So infant pain hela auri bi achi gote toddlers can run for short distance, climb, crawl, jump from the low platform. So all these checklists have been given in this. So many examples it has been given, and this can match the cards, can identify object, can name the color, can state what is common between two different things of the same color. Grouping, matching, seriation, that you will have to observe while evaluating a child's progress. Then a rating scale to assess socio-emotional development. Self-confidence, fast, slow, or no, it's not there. So initiate conversation with peers and adults. Is it faster, slow, or no? Independence, cooperation, handling situation, handling emotion. It's frequently, sometimes, and never. First slow and never, but here it is written frequently. Frequently the child is initiating conversation, or sometime, or never. It's mentioned here. F is frequently, S for sometime, then N for never. So rating scale have the advantage over checklist that they tell you about the degree of proficiency of the child, whether she is conversing with others frequently or sometimes, or she never converse with others. So how good a child is in a certain scale of behavior, you will able to know. Then children's work. Children's work. A good way to know what the children are learning is to collect some of the work and keep the record. Some drawing portundi, scribbling portundi, that also you take as a record of each child. Then asking children question. Children answer to question, you ask them as reveal a lot about how they understand. After completing an activity, ask the children question related to it. मनकर गोटे एप्पल देखेले तापर एप्पल अन्य फ्रूट्स गुड़ा देखेकी तापर पचारिबे एक्टिविटी सरला परे again you'll have to ask what this is, this question, what is this called as apple or banana or something. Then collecting information from children's parents. Talking to the parents can provide you deeper understanding about the child. Parents will be happy to narrate that specific incident and describe their behavior. पचाले से घरे जाए कि से एप्पल कहि परछि कि नहीं कि एप्पल कलर कहि परछि कि नहीं कि गोटे फुलर कलर कहि परछि नहीं. So you can ask the parents about. Then evaluating the center. Let's now read about evaluating the child care center. This is the task of the supervisor. She must look into each aspect of the center's functioning and give a feedback to the educators working in the center. There are some aspects that need to be evaluated at regular interval, others just once in the beginning, and yet others need to be checked every day. So from the reading of the earlier units, particularly the unit of the 7th block, you know that aspect that go into organizing a good child care center. The most important aspect that you must look into while evaluating a center is whether or not the children like to come to the center. आमे गोटे center भलो हेछि बोली के भली भाव जानिबा जदी से center को बहुत गुडा छुआ आसंदी 5टा छुआ 10टा छुआ हेले तापरे नेक्स्ट ईयर 15टा छुआ हेले नेक्स्ट ईयर 20 एमती जते बढ़िबे सेतरु आमे जाने जे the child care center is doing well. Then the workers, the evaluating the people working with the children at the center, you must take a note of worker-child ratio, workers' training experience, workers' personality and attitude, then their approach towards children, rapport with the children, then relationship with the parents. While you will have to evaluate the workers' evaluation. You'll have to evaluate them through these points. Then the program curriculum. The curriculum should be appropriate to the interests and needs of the children. And how to assess that? The type of play activities, whether they are age appropriate, interesting, and providing them enjoyment, whether they encourage fantasy and imagination, whether they encourage children to be creative. Then the daily schedules, is there a variety of activities planned for the day? Is the sequencing of activities during the day done according to the principles discussed? Means some vigorous play, then some quiet play, some outdoor games, some indoor games has to be incorporated. Then the space, play materials, equipment. Then whether it's adequate or not, optimum utilization of these toys, plays, then suitability of play materials. Then hygiene and cleanliness. This must become a part of the routine checkup every day. You must look into it, that whether the premises and neighboring area are clean or not, whether the utensils for cooking food and eating are clean or not, whether the drinking water is safe or not, whether the child wash and clean up after outdoor play or not, then attendance of boys and girls. Then evaluation of work. It's a very good checklist format has been given. The staff is sufficient in numbers in this center or not. A warm relationship between the worker and the children. The staff shows a sensitivity towards the needs of the children. So many points it has been written here in this unit 33. Very good points have been written. The children are encouraged to reason and think. Children are relaxed and comfortable. Workers meet the parents regularly or not. The educator work together cooperatively and harmoniously. Then evaluating the curriculum. So list of the item, there is an organized daily program, then weekly program, then a monthly program, and also play activities. There's outdoor play, then indoor play. Then curiosity of the child is nurtured or not. Each day there are opportunities for group as well as individual play. The curriculum is child centered. That is, it involves from needs of the children and is based upon their interest. Then evaluating space and play material. Adequate space indoor play pai, then outdoor pai adequate space lighting, ventilation, then equipment, play equipment, blocks, puzzles then play material is appropriate for the age, infant pai alga, toddler pai alga, or preschooler pai alga. The play materials are safe or not, durable or not, so fixed first aid facilities are there or not, fire extinguisher are available or not. Then each child has a space for a short napping by some cot or bed, towels, adequate provision, snacks packs. So all these, it matters a lot for setting up of a child care center. Then evaluating cleanliness and hygiene. 85 we got a checklist dechi. List of items. The workers keep the work area clean, utensils and cooking item clean. Children are tidy. The drinking water is clean. The workers wash their hands before preparing and serving the food. Then children wash their hands before and after eating. Then recording attendance. Choosing a child care center. This is also important. One of the major concern of the parent is how to choose a good preschool center for their child. If both the parents are working and do not have alternative arrangement for the care of the children, then they also have to think in terms of identifying a good creche or a daycare center. So while choosing a daycare center, parents mane kon dekhiya darkar जे जोटा कि पाख थिबो क्रेशटा पाखरे थिबो घर पाखरे थिबो आ तांगर सेठिकर एटमॉस्फियर और एनवायरनमेंट सेटा एमती थिबो जे गुडे छुआर से जो कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट और these motor development, physical development ठीक है बात हुआ. Then से wholesome food दिया हो कि नहीं. Then after leaving the child at the center, they should not have to worry about the child. Parents must consider carefully the professional qualities, the workers, or the attitude of the workers, the attitude of the caregiver. सेरा सब समाने देखते गोटे जेकोनसी क्रेश रे जदी छाडुचंदी parents माने. Then checklists that have to be discussed can be used by the parents to evaluate the center. जो गुडा सब checklist देछि से checklist अनुसारे से child care center टा होउछि कि नाही. The सेमानकर ratio केमति अछि, child to the caregiver ratio, child to the worker ratio किभली भाबरे अछि हमें सेटा को evaluate करी कि गोटे बापा मा हिसाब रे ताले छुआ को हमें देई परिबा. Then it 33 which is last unit. Then I'll tell you some of the important questions. So this summing up is worker child ratio, availability of space, and the qualification of the worker is to be evaluated when you put up your child in a creche or preschool or daycare center. Evaluating children's progress at a regular interval is very much necessary. So you can ask your neighbors who will have put their children जो माने सब अलगा जो क्रेश रे दउचंदी पाकस क्रेश रे दउचंदी समान को पचारी कि you'll have to put your child in that daycare center. Now some of the checklists for participation in activities. Outdoor game, indoor game, songs and rhymes. Hello, ma'am. बहुत बढ़िया format उड़ा को इतरे देची for evaluation of a child care center, evaluation of a child. Now we will come to the important questions of each chapter. Like in chapter unit 16, there are some questions. Could you please listen to me, all of you?
Yes,
ma'am. Listen to me. The important questions, right from unit 1 to unit 33. You can do the exercise on your own, but these are the important questions. You keep it in your mind. One is in Unit 16, the question 1, Unit 16, question 1, question 3. So let me just go to that Unit 16. In Unit 16, so many these questions are there, right from Unit 1 to Unit 16. Just a minute.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
So Unit 1 to Unit 16 जो question
ଆମେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ exercise କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି କି? Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello, ma'am.
So you just note it down. One is
Ma'am,
question 1,
then
2 is question 3, question 1, question 3, question 4, question 6, then question 8, 11, 12, 15, 18 and 21. 21 of this chapter, right from Unit 1 to Unit 16. Unit 1 to Unit 16. So what are the questions? I'll just read it out. Unit 16, one is if you were to carry the following activities with the toddlers, in which areas you'll be fostering development primarily. So these are the questions I have already told you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Question to help recall and reading. In that question 1 is very important. You know that there are 3 stages in the period of prenatal development. List the 3 stages and describe the development that take place during each stage. Then comes your third question is also very important. The newborn is not helpless, even though it may seem so. You would recall reading this in the text. If you had to explain this fact to a person, what arguments would you give? Then comes your fourth one. Describe the physical growth that takes place from birth onward till the end of toddlerhood, like right from 0 to 36 months. 0 to 36 months. Then 6 is how does the child's fine motor skill of grasping develop over the first 3 years. Then comes what would be the feeding pattern of the infants in the following age group, like 1 month, 5 months, 10 months. Yes, Unit 16, I'm talking about the important question right from Unit 1 to Unit 16. At the end, it's written question to help recall and reading. In that, question 1, question 3, question 4, question 6, then question 8, then question 11. What do you understand by the term sensory motor period of development? And how does the infant thinking and cognitive abilities change and develop from one substage to the next? So answer with respect to each of the 6 substages. Then comes your 12. Communication begins much before the infant is able to talk. Support this statement with argument. Then comes your 15. Question 15. Explain how the infant progressed from being able to babble to speaking in 2-word sentence. Right from babble to babbling to speaking in 2-word sentence. Then comes 18.
Madam,
describe the emotions
exercise questions
that the child express in the first 3 years of life. Then comes 21. What are the basis for planning play activities for children, and how would a play activity plan for a infant be different from one that is planned for a 2.5 years old, 6 months span con play or 2.5 years span con play. So that you will have to identify. This is in chapter 16, I mean unit 16. You will have to write from unit 1 to unit 16. These are the question at the end. These are the question at the end. So question number 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 11, 12, 15, 18 and 21. No, this is in unit 16. So all the important question, I mean question or to recall right from unit 1 to unit 16. Right from unit 1 to unit 16 in the unit 16 chapter. Unit 16 day at the end re achi mane bahut bada question dechi unit 1 ru neki unit 16 jaye, unit 1 ru neki unit 16 jaye बहुत तरह का क्वेश्चन देची. सो बहुत तरह का क्वेश्चन भितरु these are the important questions. Question 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 11, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So these are the important question up to 16. Unit 1 ru unit 16 ku 16 porjanta. These are the important questions. Then comes your unit 17. Unit 17 de jo exercise 2 dechi unit unit 17 de jo dechi question number 2, the exercise 2, exercise 2 ro question 2, then exercise 3 ro question number 2 jo unit 17 ro exercise 2 ro question number 2, then exercise 3 ro question number 2. Then your unit 18 ro exercise 3 ro question number 1. Then unit 19 ro exercise 2 ro question number 1 and question number 3. Then tomorrow unit 20 ro I have just made a question. What are the ways of disciplinary practice for the toddlers? Then what are the styles of parenting? What are the styles of parenting in unit 20? Unit 20 ra hochi one. First question is what are the ways of disciplinary practices for toddlers? Then question number 2, I mean important, this one is style of, what are the styles of parenting? Then define empathy and altruism. Define empathy and altruism. Then unit 21 ro exercise 1 ro question 4. Exercise 1 question 4. Then one question, just why play is important in gross motor development of the toddler? Why play is important in gross motor development of toddler? Then comes your unit 22. Unit 22 ro hochi exercise 1 question 2 and 3. Exercise 1 question 2 and 3. Then 23 ro hochi what do you mean by the concept, mathematical concept in the context of toddler and preschooler. Preschool, what do you mean by mathematical concept? Mathematical concept in the context of toddler and preschooler. Then unit 4 exercise 2 question 2 and 3. Then unit 25 exercise 2 question 1 and 2. 26 unit 26 exercise 1 question 2 and 3. Then unit 27 exercise 1 question 2, exercise 2 question 2. Then unit 28 what is creativity? What is creativity? Then unit 29 what are the early childhood child care schemes of Government of India? What are the early children scheme or early children scheme or childhood scheme of Government of India? Any two like ICDS and PE. Then what do you mean by Ruchika? Then SOS. Then unit 30, why is it necessary to plan a curriculum in preschool? Why is it necessary to plan a curriculum in preschool? Then unit 31, you can enumerate or explain the factors that should be considered when looking for center for preschool. When you are looking for this child care center for preschool, I mean, what are the factors to be considered? Then unit 32 is explain why the parents and community should be a part of child care center. Explain why the parents and community should be a part of child care center. Then unit 33 is how to evaluate the children's progress and the child care center. How to evaluate a child's progress or a child care center. So have you understood, all of you? I mean, this unit from unit 1 till unit 33. So you'll have to do the exercises, whatever is given in DCE1. Do it,
Ma'am?
Ma'am, 24. So this DC1, this unit is over. Be safe at home and do your best till the lockdown is over. So have a safe and healthy life. So any queries you can ask in the Telegram group. I'm always there to clarify your queries, but don't ask any petty queries. I mean, that which you can solve it yourself. So don't disturb me by asking very silly questions, which is important, serious question. If you want, you can ask.
Ma'am, 24 or 25
all the best, all of you. Bye for now. Okay.
Ma'am, 24, 25 Jani Paluni question. Ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you.
No, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.